something. So there was a lady, she embraced Islam. Her name was Sulaim. She's the mother of Anas radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Now Sulaim radiallahu anha, she embraced Islam, but her husband, he didn't embrace Islam. So when the husband found out, he was very angry, saying that how dare you accept this religion without speaking to me. He was so angry that he said that when I come back from my journey, he was going to Syria. When I come back from journey, I will deal with you. Either we have talaq, we separate, or I'll do something anyway. She said, it's up to you, but I am not going to leave this religion. I listened to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Everything that he says, it makes sense to me. That's it. So the Prophet ﷺ, da'wah was so powerful that it was every day people embracing Islam. And then what happened was, we're going to continue everyone here until they tell us to go. So then the Prophet ﷺ, when he was told that, is it coming towards me? Salam's da'wah was so powerful that every day were people embracing Islam. So what happened with Sulaim radiallahu ta'ala anha is that she embraced Islam, and she's got nothing to offer to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So she took Anas. Anas was only 10 years of age at that time. So he took Anas radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and he said, "Oh Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this is my young boy." So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he blessed him, put his hand in the head, made dua for him. He said, no, Prophet of Allah, I want him to stay in your company. This boy is really good. He could grab stuff for you. He could get your bag, get your wudu water. You don't want to run around in Medina. He knows the city very well. He's 10 years of age, but he knows the ways around. You're new here, so someone has to go to the grocery shop. Anything you want, he will do it for you. I want him to be khadim, O Prophet. Please accept him. So the Prophet ﷺ accepted Anas radiallahu ta'ala anhu. He said, he will be my khadim. So people offer money and she offered the best. Someone someone's going to learn from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What happened was, the husband, remember, he went for a business trip, he died. He died as a disbeliever now. Okay? And the news spread in Medina that Sulaim's husband has passed away. So when her iddah finished, so many people were offering, to marry her, because she was a very beautiful lady and very intelligent as well. But Sulaim, there was a man here, his name was Abu Talha. Abu Talha, basically, where we are standing here, these used to be all gardens here. Palm tree gardens. When we go for ziyarah to Uhud, and I'll show you the palm tree garden, they're huge. So you see a palm tree garden going from all the way here to that gate that you see over there. Can you see that gate? Inside that's Abu Talha's property, basically, that gate. Inside the gate, there was actually there was a well there as well. It's called Bayruha. Bayruha. Very sweet water. The Prophet of Allah used to drink water from there. Today the well is not there anymore, but there is a mark there where the well is to be. Anyway, he offered to marry Sulaim, but he was a disbeliever. Sulaim said, no, I'm not going to marry you. Why? Because you're not a mu'min. He said, what's iman? He said, iman is to say la ilaha illallah and Muhammad, who is here with us, Rasul of Allah. Only then I will marry you. Now this guy, he goes, do you know who I am? I am one of the richest men of Medina. Look at my gardens and my palm tree gardens and all that I have. These are the real, essence of money on those days. Forget money. These are the real stuff. Look at the cattle I have and the camels I have and the sheep and the goats I have and this is all mine. She said, yeah, I still reject you. So he was so surprised that what is this iman that gives people so much confidence that what's important to us is iman and not just money. So he really wanted to know what's going on here. So he started researching iman and Islam and etc. Then, subhanallah, he realized that actually iman is all about akhirah. Dunya is nothing. Dunya is temporary. He started going towards the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet Allah said, is that Abu Talha that I see? They said, yes. He said, I could see iman bayna aynayhi. I could see iman is written on his forehead. I mean, he's coming to me to embrace iman, to embrace Islam. He embraces Islam because of Sulaim. And then he comes back to Sulaim. He said, look, I've already embraced Islam. Now would you marry me? She said, now I'll marry you. And she said, you know what, you don't have to give me anything. So what is it? Because don't give me anything like that. But, just do me one favor, is that, some of the palm tree gardens that you have, give a waqf. Yeah? I don't want anything from you. Yeah? In fact, your iman is my mahar. The fact that you embrace Islam, that's my, what do you call it, the bridal gift, the dowry. That's it. So And then subhanallah, Abu Talha al-Ansari, you know what he did? He basically gave all these gardens, I said to you, that is no longer there, waqf for the Muslims. Today, sisters, when you go and pray inside there, you're praying in the garden of Abu Talha al-Ansari radiallahu ta'ala. So can you see how the Sahaba, they invested, that they will get reward ila yawm al-qiyamah. In his time, it wasn't a masjid, part of the masjid was outside. The garden Muslim, they used to use it for their own reason. Now it's part of the masjid now. And he's going to be getting reward. There is another hotel, it's quite far away, I'm not going to take you there. It's called Funduq Uthman ibn Affan radiallahu anhu. It's actually 4 hotels behind our hotel. What is Uthman? And how does he have a hotel? Well, you know, the area is Uthman's own property. They found out with his documents that this area of land belongs to Uthman. So a rich man of Saudi, he built a hotel there, and he said that whatever money, profit this hotel makes, we'll give it to the masjid and let Uthman get the reward. We make no profit out of it. Because it's Uthman's written property, how can we benefit from it? So from this you could understand that Sahaba, they were scattered here. Now, where was every Sahaba? It will take a lot of time. That's why we're going to go to the museum, and with the museum will tell you. But some companions, the famous one inshallah ta'ala, will tell you as we tour the masjid. So far we found out Sulaim's house, and her husband's house used to be here. Yes, so from this you could already understand that many other companions used to be in this area. That's how he was, yeah.